my honor to welcome you all to Accra. We are gathered here around a shared regional ambition: rice self-sufficiency and food security for West Africa.
Notre président dit qu'il faut aller du champ à l'estomac, c'est-à-dire travailler sur la chaîne de valeur.
First is land development.
Actuellement, nous sommes à peu près 3 millions de tonnes de riz paddy et nous voulons rehausser ce chiffre à 5,5 millions de tonnes d'ici 2035.
The gaps that we see, I would see them as an opportunity, right? Our problem is not land-related problem. The problems that we see here today is number one, productivity gap. Mechanization is a major issue. Then access to seeds, right? Then we have a problem of fertilization, as you said.
Among countries importing agricultural goods, rice is one of the main ones. And solving the issue of rice is not that hard.
We will empower smallholder farmers by making sure the technologies that are needed are provided for, that we provide financing for them, that we provide insurance.
This allows us to not go into isolated type of financing, transactional financing, but rather being able to finance at scale within structured ecosystems.
This is not just a food security concern, it's a significant macroeconomic vulnerability.
Now is the time for investment, because you have sound policy and we are addressing all the gap and all the failure for the past.
Our ambition is clear: to build competitive, inclusive, and sustainable agri-food systems that strengthen food sovereignty, create jobs, and drives shared prosperity. This gathering must serve as a catalyst for action.
The challenge before us is not just about growing more rice, but also about mobilizing the scale of capital required to transform agriculture from a subsistence sector to commercial production, from fragmented production to integrated value chains.
And this is why the World Bank Group has launched the AgriConnect initiative last October 2025 to move beyond the thematic projects and support large-scale transformation across the value chain.
We, the Ministers of Agriculture and Food Security, Economy and Finance, designated ministerial representatives, we commit to a West African rice sector that is self-sufficient, productive, competitive, and climate resilience by 2035. We commit to a collective regional investment envelope of $28 billion over a period of 10 years. We commit to the stable policy conditions, regulatory environment, and budget allocations consistent with the CADEP 10% target that will enable this capital to flow and deliver results.
A conflict I don't think we will ever resolve is the conflict over the jollof rice.
You agree that there was no better venue for a rice roundtable than the home of the finest jollof.
I just said, even though I'm Ghanaian, I think the best jollof comes from Senegal, hands down.
Moi, comme je n'ai pas eu le micro, sinon moi j'allais dire que c'est le Mali qui gagne, hein, c'est le Mali qui est le premier en jollof.
And I'm also trying not to be part of the jollof discussion because the decision has been made already.